In today's video, we will take out the taillight for 2015 Dodge Caravan. We'll start off taking out the first screw, which is 10mm, and I'll be using an impact gun and 10mm nut setter, but you can use a round head ratchet and 10mm nut setter if you want. First screw is taken out. Bottom side there's a similar screw and we also need to take that out. Both screws are out. Notice the taillight is losing its grip. Now hold the taillight from the top part and try pulling the taillight outwards. Notice the taillight falling apart. I'm holding a torch in one arm and the taillight on the other, but in your case, make sure you pull out the taillight with both arms. Once the taillight is pulled, notice from the back side there is a plug in the middle. Notice the red color plastic piece. We actually need to slide that red color plastic piece downwards. Once the red color plastic piece is down, now we need to push and hold the tab which is underneath the red color plastic piece, and then we need to pull out the plug. Now if you want to change any bulb in case, you just turn this, take it out, and take out the bulb. Then assume if you have a new bulb and you just want to replace it with the old one, you just put the bulb back to its place. Just like that. We put back the plug for the bulb and then turn it clockwise. That was it. We took out the taillight. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.